Now we are going to see about two concepts in creating and using Android Studio application. So after we have created Android Studio application, we have to launch our application. That is, we have to test our application in the output device. For that we will be using emulator. So we have to use emulator for testing. So that is known as launching Android Studio application. So we will be creating an application by going to file menu, new, create new project. So by this way we will be creating application. So then we have to launch our application. So that launching is using the debugger in Android Studio. We will be debugging, then we will be running the application and see the output in a virtual device. So virtual device is a device that is not real, but it will be showing the screen of the actual device. That is a virtual device. So in one of the virtual device we will be we will be testing our application. That is known as launching. So then we have to see another concept, that is publishing our application. So publishing, after creating an application, we will be putting our application in Play Store. That is known as publishing. So the publishing is putting our application in Play Store. So what is the advantage of putting our application in Play Store? So whoever wants the application, they can download from the Play Store and they can use it. Suppose we have created an application for accounts verification. Whoever wants that application, they will be downloading from the Play Store and use it. So launching application is testing our application in emulator. Testing application in emulator. So during installation, we have to load the emulator separately. When we run our first application, when we test running our first application, emulator will be loading in Android Studio. So launching is testing application in emulator. Publishing is putting our application in Play Store. So for putting our application in Play Store means, suppose if we have an mobile device, smart device, Android device. So whatever we will be seeing. So when we switch on our Android device, we can watch many apps. So there will be contacts, there will be gallery. So like there will be menu, like this there will be many applications. Suppose the application we have created should come here. So suppose we have created app 1, so it has some symbol. So this application should be downloaded by all. So we want to launch our application, that is we want to publish our application so that everyone should be using it. That is known as publishing. So for publishing after publishing the application, everyone will be downloading and using the application. So for that it will be available in Play Store. So putting our application in Play Store. So after putting our application in Play Store, so everyone can download and they can have it in their smart device. So for publishing we have to go to build menu, and so in build menu we have to click generate signed APK. So in generate signed APK there will be one window. So in that window we have to enter key store path and key store password. So there will be many options in this window, but the most important two things are key store path and key store password. So key store path we have to if we are publishing first application, we have to enter the key store path. If we have already published the application, now we are going to publish second application, we have to choose our key store path. So if we are creating a first application, now we have to enter a new key store path. So if we press create new button, a new key store window will be appearing. So in there we have to choose our key store path. We we have to fix a password and confirm. So this key store path will give the name of the folder where we have stored our application. So then we have to give a password and we have to confirm it. Suppose we are going to publish second application, we have to choose. So we have to choose the old key store path, and for the so the password, key store password is for separate application. Key store path is for all the applications that we create, but key store password is for each and every application. So when we create a key store path for the first time, we have to go to key store window. We have to click create new. Then when a key store window will appear, then we have to enter the details there. So there will be many other details also, like what are the other name, alias name, likewise. So then we have to, after creating new key store path, we have to press OK and cancel. So if we are publishing our second application, we have to choose the already created key store path. Then we have to give key store password for each and every application that we create. Then we have to press next, and finally we have to give finish. So likewise, then our application will be stored in Google Play Store. So anyone can download from Google Play Store and use it. Thank you.